y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tierra J here, and y'all see it in today's video. We got a cute little get ready with me for Instagram pictures, and I'm also gonna be talking to y'all about how to get paid, okay, on this social media thing. So shout out to Bestlacewigs for helping us get cute today. Y'all make sure to click those links down below. They sent me over this cute highlighted wig. I've been so obsessed with the highlighted wigs, especially the brown and blonde combos. Like, it just gives Beyonce, it gives Beyonce, and it just complements brown skin so good, so cute. Once again, make sure to click them links down below. All the details to this unit right down below. Get your hands on one, girl. So yeah, if y'all ready to get ready with me for some cute Instagram pictures, go ahead and stay tuned. Here is the wiggy. She's cute, she's brown, she's gold, she's body wave, she's everything. She's pre-plucked, she's transparent, and she's giving it to the girls. Today I'm gonna be trying to do like an easy stocking cap method. Look at my little, y'all, this video is gonna be coming up really soon, but I did my relaxer day, you know what I'm saying, gave me a fresh cut, and you know, that hair is getting better, getting back healthy. I did want to talk to y'all a little bit about how to do or how to get into social media marketing, which is basically like promoting and marketing via social media. So that's like Instagram, these IG models out here getting bread, okay, being on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. It's so many different platforms that you can get this money off of, okay? But I'll be specifically talking about Instagram and YouTube because that is what I do. Like, as for me, like, I can't get into more than 2 social medias at a time, like when it comes to business, because it's just a lot of work. Like, girl, I gotta have somebody like running my stuff for me or something. I'm gonna talk about how I dive into the whole, we'll start with YouTube, the whole YouTube platform, getting paid off of YouTube, and how to just keep it going and how to actually make it a career. So I started my YouTube channel in 2015. A lot of people love hair videos, especially like at the time, 2015, like hair videos was really, you know, they was coming out popping. So I just happened to make my channel and really go viral pretty quick. Like, I think it just was probably luck, or maybe just what was meant to be, because I didn't know how to tag videos. Like, I didn't know how to do none of that stuff. Like, I didn't really know how to market myself online. I was just really putting the videos out there because I like to do it. Like, I was, you know, behind the chair full time. So my YouTube channel took off. My second month on YouTube, my check was like $2,000. Like, I will never forget that. I was like, what? Like, that was honestly amazing, like, for my beginning of YouTube career to do that. That's crazy. I ain't never think of that. All right, so like I said, we're just gonna try a regular stocking cap install today. I'm gonna use this powder for my hairline. So anyway, after I saw I could get paid from YouTube, you know what I'm saying, like that, like, I was like, let me be serious about it. I still was working behind the chair, you know, opened a salon, all that good stuff. Love doing hair, but I definitely picked up YouTube as like a part-time job. But you know, it got to the point I started, you know, having kids. I wanted to stay at home, so I'm like, I'm about to take this YouTube thing full time. And let me tell you something, anything that you put your energy and your time into, this just goes for anything, really. Anything you put your time and energy into is going to have to like be fulfilling in some type of way. You're literally putting good energy there. I'm just a big believer in energy, and you know, if I feel like if you really love something and you pour light and love and energy into it, like, it's gonna reward you. It's gonna do something. Let's cut these combs out. If you believe you can do it and you're really serious about it, like, it can work for you. That don't mean everybody is like gonna become a mega star. But I'll even explain how you don't have to be a big, gigantic, super popular mega star influencer to get paid. There's people out here with 300 followers that's getting paid. Y'all see I cut the combs out, so we're just gonna see how I look. Ooh, we like a good fitting wig. Come on, Bestlacewigs. Come on, Bestlace. Do y'all see that? Hold on, I think she's already given a side part. She's already given, I don't even think I'm gonna do a side. I'm gonna do it just like this. Just like this, just the whole like flip over. Do y'all? We about to give it to the girls. Stay tuned. This lace is popping. I am just gonna pluck it just a little bit just to get rid of like the straightness. Back to the topic at hand. I just feel like to get started in this business, you just gotta start. Like, I have so many people asking me for advice, even like friends of mine want to get started and just don't know what to do. You just gotta do it. If you gotta use your phone, like whatever you got, just use it. Like, social media is really not hard to get started in, because anybody can just make an account. It's not like a special, you know, invitation or nothing. Anybody can make an account. I feel like the basics is you getting like your banner, because you do want your channel to be cute, you know what I'm saying? Especially if you want to start it as a business and it's not just something you want to do as a hobby. It's a brand. Come out with a good brand, get you a logo, like just like you was about to open up a store. Like, that's literally how you have to think about your social media presence and your YouTube channel. And you got to think about how everything looks. So you got to have an aesthetic going on. Just get you a banner made. I'm gonna link down below what I use to edit, what I use to, you know, make my banners, make my thumbnails. I use 𝐃𝐞𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐥𝐬. I make my own banners, I make my own, you know, profile pics, my own thumbnails. And then next, you really just gotta do it. Pick up that camera, pick up that phone. I watch, like, some of my favorite YouTubers still use their phone like to do videos. There's nothing wrong with using your phone. I definitely believe in investing in your business. Like, if you want better quality videos, your business start making money to where you can invest, I definitely always recommend that. But whatever you have to start with, you gotta make that work for you. You don't even need to have like a fancy ring light. Like, y'all, my ring light it be sitting over there in the corner. I don't even use my ring light anymore. Now, I do have little stuff I buy. Just turned on my lights to kind of like combat this sun. But yeah, just mirrors like this, girl. They got cute little lighting. I got this from, where did I get this from? Amazon. It'll be in my Amazon store, linked below. This was like under $100. I don't remember how much it was, but it was definitely under $100. So you don't even need like a whole fancy getup to get started. And I also wanted to talk about like the different things you could do on YouTube, because a lot of people think you just got to be sitting in front of a camera, you know, doing something, having personality. But look at YouTube. Like, you could do ASMR, you could do like satisfying sand videos, like gaming videos, like reactions. The genres on YouTube is so endless. Like, you could just do your own thing on YouTube. There's a market literally for everything. So you just gotta find your niche. Just find something that you like to do, because I mean, with anything, if you're doing something that you don't really enjoy, you just not gonna really do it. So find something you enjoy. This hairline is a little woofy over this way, so I'm gonna do a little more plucking. So getting started is just getting started, but to really take it seriously and like really turn it into a career, you gotta go in. You definitely have to be consistent, promote yourself. The next step with this YouTube stuff, if you know, want to start getting paid, you want to attract companies, because mainly, especially when you first starting out, them companies, you know, unless you go viral and you know, your numbers, I mean, your videos do numbers here on YouTube and you getting them good AdSense checks. And basically, if y'all don't know what that is, let me kind of rewind. You can get paid a couple different ways, you know, being a YouTube content creator. The first way you can get paid is strictly off the ads, and that means that your videos is doing, you know, a certain amount of numbers to where a company wants to put their ad on your video because people are watching your videos. Like I told y'all, my first check with YouTube was a good $2,000. That's just because my videos popped off, they did numbers. But even if you don't do numbers, you can still get paid on YouTube. That is where promotions and sponsorships come into place, like this video I'm doing now. Shout out to Bestlacewigs for sponsoring today's video, period. So that is how you can get paid on YouTube as well. You can have sponsorships, promote people's companies. I'm gonna just go in with a little 𝐃𝐞𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐥𝐬, and we're gonna do a little spraying here and there, but I'm not doing like a whole official melt. So boom, companies notice you, they want to work with you. How they gonna get in touch, sis? Make sure this goes along with the banner and getting your channel started and everything. You definitely want to have a business account. You definitely want to have a business account tied to your YouTube. So if you look at my description box, I always have my business email in the description box. You know, for business inquiries, email me here, and that's how companies reach out to you. Now, what do you do when you got companies reaching out? You know what I'm saying? They might want a free video, especially if you first starting off. They might want to just send you product and, you know, have you review it for free. You know, I get the barter system and everything, but this is a job, okay? Like, to do this and to like put your time and energy into promoting a company, like, and they be wanting it for free. Like, I understand maybe doing a couple of free videos just to get your foot in the door to see how it's like. Maybe you really do want the product. I definitely did, you know, some promotions for free, and sometimes they even offer commission based. That's really good too. With starting out, it's nothing wrong with doing like free promo. Get a little experience, see how it go. But after that same company done reached back out to you, you know what I'm saying, wanting more promo. Okay, here is my rate sheet, okay? Because first of all, this is why I say too, it don't matter if you got 300 subscribers, it don't matter if you have 300,000 subscribers. If a company is interested in getting their product on your face, on your channel, they see you. Like, you didn't ask them, you didn't contact them, they contacted you. So at the end of the day, you making them money. You making them money for free work. Like, nah, we don't get down like that. It really does not matter how many subscribers you got. If you reaching people, you reaching people, period. It don't matter. And if a company is reaching out to you because they see it's a good opportunity to make them some money, to promote their, you know, company, product, brand, whatever, get your money. We let this melt. We're gonna do a quick little face. Y'all know I be doing the same little glowy face, simple glowy face. I know a lot of channels, especially when you first starting out, you really don't know how much you should charge. So many of my YouTube friends like, what do I do? You know, how much am I supposed to say? But instead of doing all that guessing work or trying to do calculations on, you know, the amount of views you get, the amount of subscribers you get, check out Social Blue Book. Y'all, ever since I got put on to Social Blue Book, my life has not been the same, okay? My promotion game ain't been the same. I'll also put this website down below, and you just pay for it like every month. And that's another thing, you cannot be scared to, if you really, you know what I'm saying, you really want to do this for real, you cannot be scared to buy stuff like editing services, Final Cut Pro, if you want to upgrade your editor, you know what I'm saying. It is free editors like iMovie, which is really good, but you know, it's stuff out there that you just gonna have to pay for. Like, and I think Social Blue Book is really just a good investment. It's something you write off on your taxes at the end of the day anyway. What you say on Players Club, scare money don't make no money. Yeah, you gotta throw out them dollars to make it holler. I couldn't help it. Anyway, Social Blue Book is really great. It lets you know like how much you should be charging. So it's not just telling you how much you should charge for YouTube videos, but you can also plug in your Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, like, okay. So now on Social Blue Book, because at first they used to just tell you to rate, and then you go like, well, what I would do is go and like create a document, like, you know, make it cute, make it cute. Let these companies know that you mean business, and you not like, you know, rinky dink about to just be reviewing products for free and creating videos, working for free. Like, let them know that you're a whole entire business and they are coming to you for your services, okay? So just like you walk into a place, we're gonna use, say like a massage parlor. You walk into a massage place, you got a list. They got a menu list. They tell you how much you charge. They tell you how long you get it for. We need to do the same thing as content creators, letting these companies know how much you charge, what the service includes. That honestly changed the game for me. Like, at first I used to just throw numbers out to the companies and we'll be going back and forth negotiating, like just me typing on there like this much, and then they be like, no, this much, and then I'd be like, well, how about this much? But girl, once I got professional, these companies was like, oh, so get fancy with it. Get on Google Docs, Windows, whatever you use, create you a nice little document, little menu, you know, explaining your services, how much you charge. Get professional on them, poo. That's one thing about me. I have always been big on professionalism. Like, even when I was behind the chair, I just had like a professional image. I always like to make my clients feel like they was getting like, you know, a luxury experience. Like, I've just been so big on professionalism, and that has honestly carried me, like, not just being a social media influencer, you know, marketing and stuff, but just with everything I've done, like carrying yourself with being professional. Even though I'm a little ratchet, and being professional don't mean you have to talk proper and be a certain way, but just be about your business. You know what I'm saying? Let people know you about your business. Y'all, my forehead is about to be so freaking creasy because look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna just have to fix it once I take this off. I had to throw some lashes on. I got individuals and it is time to take them off. They all types of raggedy, but girl, these look so bad. Oh my god. I just need to get my makeup life together because I don't know what is going on with all my lashes. I have so many different lashes. And these not the same. Like, I don't even know how they end up mismatched. Every other case I open, it's nothing in there. Like, I'm just confused right now. We're gonna try to ignore the lashes. But I also wanted to just say, know your worth. You know what I'm saying? Know the worth of yourself. You gotta believe in yourself. You gotta believe in your brand. And you gotta get out here and make this money, honey. Because there's lots of money to be made in these YouTube streets. I just never imagined myself making the amount of money that I've been able to make off of YouTube. Like, honestly, it's been life-changing for me. Like, I ain't no millionaire, trillionaire, you know what I'm saying? But, girl, I used to be on food stamps. Like, that's why I always just try to push people. Like, if you really want to do it, just do it. Okay, got a little cute melt going on, but we gotta fix these lines on our forehead, though. But yeah, y'all, I ain't want to be on food stamps no more. I ain't want to be broke no more. I remember having like $0 in my bank account, a baby on the way. What really motivated me to just do it, like, and to be serious about it was my son. Like, reflecting on that time of my life, 2015, girl, I was trying to get it together, but your girl, she was broke, okay? And I just wanted better for myself. I especially wanted better for my son. So that's why I went so hard and took YouTube so seriously. And that's why I say too, you know, whatever you put your energy into, whatever you work towards, it's gonna happen for you in some type of capacity. It might not be what you expect. It might be more than you expect, but it's gonna happen for you. Let's see what it's giving. Let's see. This is why I'm looking so bland. We forgot to blush these cheeks. Gotta add some color. That might be a little too much blush. Okay, it's giving cute. It's giving cute. Y'all see the comb out? I am gonna do like some long layers, nothing crazy. And I do feel like the ends of this hair could be cut like a little bit. So I'm just gonna cut off because it's kind of like some split ends there. We just gonna snip. Okay, we glammed up, dialed up, weaved up. Okay, mama, what's your name? Giving it to the girls. So cute. So yes, girl, we all glammed up. We all know how to get this money here on this social media, okay? And now we just need to get our outfit picked out. We need to slay these pictures, okay? So let's go ahead and pick out a fit and jump into the final look. She is Instagram ready. I am loving this wig. Like, I love the texture. I love the feel of it. It feels so natural. I love me a natural feeling wig. I love when it's like not too thick and it's not too thin. It's like right in the middle and it's just giving like real natural tease. And y'all really gotta get into this transparent lace, honey. You can't even see. You can't even see. So once again, shout out to Bestlacewigs. Y'all make sure to check them out. All the information is down below. Get your hands on a top tier unit. Thank y'all so much for watching and getting ready with me for Instagram pictures. So make sure to follow me on Instagram to see the pictures. Follow all my social medias. They are all down below. Thank y'all once again for watching today's video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.